let's get you there now. And take me through the process of planting strawberries. They're using this example. How do you start? What do you start with? Is it seedling?
Yes, let me just take let me just take one.
So this is where we start.
This is where we start. But first of all, before planting any crop, kufute uwati lokuthi that crop iyalunga yini on that particular place. Nale climate iyavuma yini. Kusene kwendeka ube se Big Bend. Ube kalavumisa ufune ekuhlanyela ama-strawberries. Ukhanze ukuthi le climate iyala. Ayifuni la kushisa khona kakhulu ama-strawberries, no. Afuna nje semi.
Strawberries are perfect for a place like how?
Like the corridor, lena and the Highfield, angisho njalo. They are very much they are happy here. So kudinga ke uteste nalomhlaba wakho. So ama-strawberries they like more acidic, like the pH of 6.0 to 6.8. Okay. Yes. So they like that. So
at the same time, they're in the Highfield, they don't like rain.
They don't like rain. Yes, but you need to water. So I would say, first of all, we start by measuring our field. We have to, we divide it into those sections because we don't want our visitors to just walk a long way without some people basheshe bathini ukazi sebafuna kuphuma. So we make pathways across and vertically so that umfuna sakhani ukavela phuma. By the way, you can make as long as you want lilayini, but first of all, when the lombese over like 90 centimeters so
wide.
When they la inike, when they la kuthi, I will just take for instance this one. Yabo silikhulu leli plastic lam lisi 1.5 so kuyale. So you just divide ke lana into 90 centimeters. Okay, mina lengubonile akufute nale pathway ibe inkulu kakhulu. So I only make 50 centimeters for the pathway, then lana ngente kube 90. Then we simply take our tools. Uyabona ukuthi kanjani la. Sithathe lo mhlaba on the side, siubeka on the side, sithathe lo mhlaba siubeka on the side. Uyabona? Bese ke okay, uqale before u apply le plastic. Wende lo mhlabathi wakho, then share 30 centimeters. The spacing in between each plant, yes, is 30 centimeters.
So when you plant on top of the plastic, when do you dig? You dig after you've placed the plastic, or you dig before?
You dig before. You dig and put the seedling.
Okay.
Yeah, uphumelele. Figure ekugcineni. Then you put the plastic on top. But the tricky part is you don't apply the plastic or on top of the lama seedlings. Uzofika le ekugcineni. No, because liyashisa le plastic. Njengoba ubona ukuthi ngala limnyama ngala. So suffocate the plant. But two people babamba ngembili babamba plastic. Two people bayagubha lamaceleni. Bayafaka, yabona. Ladies bayabuya, they touch la. Beve ukuthi okay, the plant is here. Baphakamise lokho, bajube. They touch, yes, baphakamise so bajube. Then but I emadvosa ngiwatholi kahle ngalizabula kabuhlungana le plastic. So you make sure nje ukuthi it's a 2-meter distance. Then nase covered up. Uphinde uqhubeke ngalomnye 2 meters. So they touch, they open, they touch, they open. Uze uyofika ekugcineni.
So the 2 meters is for what?
Okay, that 2 meters, I'm saying you mustn't cover the whole now row ngaleli plastic because lama seedlings atakufa. Every 2 meters, bayabamba le plastic bayema. They wait for these people to finish up and they wait for these people to cut lama holes kuphume lamana njani. Then uyofika ekugcineni.
Now I see the plants are already there.
The plants are already there.
Application of the plastic needs to go by 2 meter to meter and make sure.
Yes, to make sure ukuthi no, it's fine.
Yeah, I can try.
You can try it.
Well, Lenny, all to apply this more fertilizer again.
Then fertilizer you come. Ngicabanga ukuthi sitawuya kuphi nje sitawuya khona lendas. Then fertilizer simfaka next to not just near the hayi la cele la far from the nanjana the tree uyifakele nje le khashane not near. Even the same applies to any crop. You just don't apply fertilizer direct onto lama roots. Ubeka nje eceleni so kancane.
The importance of the plastic, let's talk about that.
Okay, the importance of the plastic is, this is the mulching plastic.
Right.
Retainer, strawberries, they like warm. Yabona, the temperature must be warm, fine. Phize futhi umsebenzi waleli plastic ukuthi i-water, kuthiwa yini, water logging. Lokuthi lena njana le kuyawa container kahle lamanti at the same time akhone lokuphuma ngoba kuvutelo sibese kuhlala la kuleli tete to avoid the root ukuthi ibole. Yes, lokunye is weed.
Yeah, okay, I think weeds, I can see.
Yes.
Price out.
Yes, lokunye is weed kakhulu and the other thing ukuthi le fruit ingathinzi emhlabathini because kunedilokatana. Iwele la kwaleli plastic uyabona. Yes,
Spread out to the plastic safely.
yes. Kungaweli la emhlabathini uyabona because nale tilwane nato tiyathanda kutitika la. But I've applied
planting.
Not necessarily. You wait for the seedling ukuthi ibe stable kahle uyibone ukuthi khase ibambile lenyalo, then you apply le fertilizer. Fertilizer or manure or chicken manure you can use, yes, but you apply just mina nje I always apply fertilizer after a week. Then bese ngiyamfaka lo fertilizer. Then after that you water in the morning, you water in the afternoon. Because lana we don't have because it's sakala anyways. Siqale April last year thina. Yes, April last year to go live nje ukuthi yabo nyalo ke sesisupply abo Pick n Pay bonke sesisupply abo OK Foods. Ngicale last year mina. Otherwise we make sure ukuthi
The irrigation system.
Yes, the irrigation system yona ngikhona isizathu oyifaka. Why? Because you start small. You start small. Info le ngisite ngayo bantu base Taiwan bangisite ngekuthi when you first join the co-op bakuniketa this mulching plastic for free.
Okay.
Bakunikete 1,000 plants for free. Then when abese soya di propagatela, yes, you multiply as much as just as lapha ngendawo uyabona ke sengimultiply that ones. Yabo, so let's go to that place kulama summer ones ndobona lokuthi ngiwakhipha kanjani.
You grow each year, you can now propagate your own.
Then I propagate my own and I sell as well.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Nagnesa Plus. Yes. Yes, I sell.
If anyone wants to start, they can come to you.
They can come to me. Yeah. When I'm in town, it's 10 rand, but when we're home, it's 8 rand. It's 8 rand when we are here because we have come a long way, so we'll get cheaper things. Wanampele. So Lana, I'm preparing for the winter bearing ones. Yabona nje la lokuthi nyalo nje I was just cutting the runners. These are runners.
So it's important to cut this.
It is important because nutrients basically they tend to concentrate on the unwanted things. Yabona nyalo nje I have to cut using a pair of scissors.
To allow the runners to run and also produce something out there that is not really ideal.
It won't, because as I'm saying, lama nutrients they tend to divert. The fruit itself, let's concentrate on the fruit, because aba big lama strawberries now. So we will cut the old leaves and leave the small ones to shoot.
All of this?
All we have to cut. And so I've separated each tree. Yes, I separate. Then I come ngiyajubala. Kusala these shoots, the small ones. Ngiyajubala kanjalo. And no need for you ukuthi uve buhlungu ukuthi lamacembe asayahamba. Yes, because these new shoots ngiwo la enda ukuthi lesihlahla sibuye, because ama-strawberries they don't want umena. Yabo afuna ukushaya i-fresh air. Utos noma athela abe sebaleni. But nyalo nakangathela nyalo uyabona sesihlahleni lesikhulukwane. Yabona naso ukha nje sowuphele kuphenya and angaba mancane in size. The fruit ingaba incane in size. Ingaba incane in size, but yes.
From seedling to fruit, how long does it take? When do we harvest here?
Nyalo nje leswafaka lawa nje atawucala kubluma ngabo May, June, alright. Yes, ngabo.
This is good, but that's 5 months.
That's 5 months, yes.